Quick pickled cucumbers in just a few hours without brine. Once you try this, you'll never go back to the traditional recipe. You don't need a jar or water. This dry version of pickling gives the same delicious taste, and the cucumbers remain exceptionally crunchy while maintaining their vibrant green color. Wash 1 kilogram of cucumbers and soak them in cold water for at least 1 hour. Trim the ends to speed up the fermentation process and reduce any bitterness. Grind a few black peppercorns, peel, prick, and chop 2 garlic cloves. Then peel and chop a piece of horseradish root and also chop 2 sprigs of dill. Before placing the cucumbers in a Ziploc bag, prick each cucumber with a toothpick. This will allow the spices to penetrate the cucumbers faster and ensure even pickling. Add the prepared ingredients in order: salt, horseradish, dill, and garlic. Gently but thoroughly mix everything in the bag, trying to remove as much air as possible before sealing. Place the bag in the fridge for a few hours. After that, the cucumbers will be ready to eat. Aromatic, perfectly crunchy, and incredibly tasty. This is a simple and quick recipe that doesn't require cooking or brine, yet the result and flavor will amaze you.